Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to E-Prime. Unity in the City promises the ultimate experience for Easter Monday. The event was launched yesterday at the Jamaica Pegasus and organizers had this to share.
We have the best in terms of international gospel performer, the best local performers, and of course intertwined with that, comedy of par excellence. From our perspective, the concept of reaching out to ensure that we touch the lives of persons everywhere in every corner of Jamaica. The concert is being done whereby significant contribution will be made to the Rescue Package Foundation, which is a charitable organization operating in the Painland area.
Unity in the City will feature international award-winning gospel artist Travis Green and a solid lineup of local performers: Kevin Downswell, Jermaine Edwards, Papa San, Ite, Blacka, and Bello, among others.
God's love spreads wider than the widest ocean. Oh, Lord, sing, oh Lord, here I am, and I am asking you again.
The gospel event is aimed at spreading love and unity across the country.
And I want to see a certain level of peace in our island, and just being intimately involved with Spanish Town. I see where this is very, very important for us to come together, unite, and love each other. I'm happy about this peace initiative, and I'm happy about being a peace ambassador. Comedy, music come together. You know what I mean? It's something that we're going to be seeing in the coming shows. This is a starting of something new.
Brand new music from Vybz Kartel and Massacre. This collaborative effort is set to be released on the weekend. The track, titled Infrared, is a production by TJ Records, who has produced a number of singles for the convicted DJ. The project marks the first collaborative effort, though, between Vybz Kartel and the genocide DJ Massacre. On April 10, the iconic reggae music pioneer Bunny Wailer is going to be celebrating his 70th birthday. The legend will use the spotlight to support the inauguration of Rastafari Month, ocean sea conservation rights, and ganja rights advocacy, as well as the restoration of the Bournemouth Beach Park Entertainment Complex. A number of events are expected to take place throughout the month of April, beginning on April 6, with a tribute to the Wailers. Events are free to the public, so email originalwailers@yahoo.com for more information. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Blessings.